Hey everybody. This is a quick introduction video into my class. I'm Mr. Beveridge. A little bit about me. I'm coming from UVU, so this is my first year teaching. And I'm from Pleasant Grove. Grew up in Pleasant Grove my whole life and went to American Fork High School. So just a little bit about me, but let's go right into the disclosure document. The disclosure document will be for secondary math 2 and 3, depending on which class you're taking. Those are the two classes I will be teaching this year. The objectives are generally the same. Just in secondary math 1 through 3, we're just building on concepts from functions to geometry to statistics, all those things. We're just continually building up on those ideas. So those are the objectives. That's what we're striving to learn in these classes. Whenever you come into my class, please come prepared because we have such little class time together. So we're going to make the most of it. So please be prepared with something to write on, your Chromebook, calculator, completed notes for the week, and a course textbook. Calculator, if you're in secondary math 2, a scientific calculator will do just fine. They're really not that expensive, and you can find them pretty much at any store. If you're in secondary math 3, we will be doing more complicated things, so graphing calculator will be needed. I know that they're a little bit more expensive, so if you can, try and rent or borrow from a sibling or a neighbor or someone who might not be using theirs anymore. A course textbook will be needed. We'll be handing out physical copies on the first day that the students are here, or you can use a digital copy, and I can show students how to get access to those digital copies just online. And as for notes for the completed notes for the week, I will be doing 2 lessons a week on Canvas, and there will be 2 videos. And with the videos, there are going to be notes accompanied with them, guided notes that I want the students to fill out as they're watching the video. I will try and do my best to keep the videos between 20 and 30 minutes long, not that much, but I need students to do these things at home because we are only meeting once a week, and we need to take advantage of that short amount of time that we have. Come prepared to ask questions on the videos and clarification, and we will cover example problems in class. Tests and quizzes, we will be having those. Please read through that. And attendance, again, attend as much as possible. But if you are in any way feeling sick or you have any symptoms, please stay home and do not come to class. Watch the videos. Send me an email. Let me know how you're doing. I want to make sure that you're safe, and I want to make sure that you're keeping up with the work. And I'll try and keep in contact with you as much as possible. As for cell phones, we won't be using cell phones in the class, and please come with your calculator so you don't have to say that you're using your cell phone as your calculator, because that won't fly. Here are some rules that will happen in the class. For now, I want to emphasize wearing a mask. Please come to school with your mask. We're doing everything that we can to make sure everybody is healthy and safe. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I will be having spaces left in between each seat so that we are maintaining social distance guidelines. And last but not least will be the grading here. The grading, there's a lot of weight on the test and the quizzes. And then for notes, I put more emphasis on the notes. Again, I want to incentivize students to be doing their online work because there's a lot of it. And then the assignments at 5%. And as for the A through F, this is just standard grading, shouldn't be anything new. But that is the introduction into my course. At the top, you can find an email right here, jeffreyb@provo.edu. Please contact me, email me anytime. Try and set up a Zoom meeting or time to meet with me after school, and we'll make sure that you're taken care of and we have a good year. I look forward to seeing and meeting all of you in the next week. So I will see you then. Thanks, guys.